If you want to know how to get on X.com, formerly known as Twitter, and access your account quickly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simplest way to log in so you can check your feed, post updates, and start using your account again in just a few seconds. This is a very beginner-friendly tutorial, so even if you've never used X before, you'll be able to follow along easily. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open any web browser on your device. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, or whichever browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, click the address bar at the top and type x.com, then press enter on your keyboard. This will take you directly to the X website. When the page loads, look for the login button on the screen. It's usually easy to spot, and that's what you'll need to click in order to access your account. Go ahead and click login. Next, you'll see the sign-in form. Here, X gives you a few different ways to identify your account. You can enter your username, your email address, or the phone number linked to your profile. Type in whichever one you used when you created the account. After that, enter your password in the password field. Make sure you type it carefully because passwords are case sensitive and even a small typo can stop you from signing in. If you're on a personal device and you trust it, you can choose to save your login details for next time, but only do that on a secure device that you control. Once your information is entered, click the login button again to finish signing in. If your details are correct, X will open your account and take you straight to your feed, where you can see posts, notifications, and updates from the accounts you follow. If you run into a problem, double check that your username, email, or phone number is correct and make sure your password is entered properly. If needed, you can use the Forgot Password option to reset your login credentials and regain access. And that's it. You're now on your X.com account and ready to scroll your feed, interact with posts, and use the platform normally. If this helped, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.